Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals and welcome back to my channel. I am here with my February haul, which is actually really just an unboxing of the Plannerface mystery kit. I haven't had any other, I've placed one other order. I haven't had my Erin Floater Designs package in yet, and I'm not sure it's going to come in time to be included in this haul. So yeah, at the minute it's just this. I have another order from Plannerface I'm awaiting, but that's all I've ordered so far. So yeah, I'm just gonna get straight on with it and open this up, and as it is a mystery kit, you're going to get my initial reaction, so if you do not want to see February mystery kit, look away now. Okie doke. So, oh, foiled! You're the sweetest pick of the patch, that's so cute! So let's turn her over and see the kit in 3, 2, 1. Oh! Ah, this is not what I expected, but it's gorgeous. And it's giving me all of the like May, spring vibes. Let's open her up and have a little nosy. So yeah, that's the first side of the card. And the second side there. The strawberry's like glossy on that side. And the two sides of the card feel slightly different. Like this feels like Anna's normal cards. I love that foil. Right, okay, so here is the kit. This isn't a kit I would have normally chosen myself, which is part of the reason I love it. I'm going to turn these over now as well. Oh, you've got the same little quote there, and you've got some different girls. So you've got like loads of varieties of that girl box there, and then you've got an extra quote box there. And then they are your headers. So here is the kit. Let's zoom in and show you a bit more detail. Do we need to brighten up? Yes. We always have to brighten up when we zoom in. I don't know, it's the way my camera works. So that's the 4 boxes. We have the functional day cover page. Got your boxes page. These are super cute. I really like the green. It's a really unique green, and this colour is one of my favourite colours ever, so yeah. Your little things and headers page. Your ombre heart joke boxes and your deco. Your washi, and I love that like strawberry vine coming in. I believe Becca from Lila Illustrations was the artist for this, so yeah. And then we have the extra mystery add-on sheets, so you've got your scripts, you've got square boxes, you've got another load of icons, and you've got these like cute little label things, and a double box scene there. And then that's the glitter add-on. So that is the mystery kit from Plannerface for February. I really like it. It's going to go into my May lineup, I think. So that is what we're working with. And as I say, that is currently all I have. I highly doubt there is going to be another section of this haul, because, yeah, no. I only have a Plannerface order pending, and I ordered it like yesterday, so it's unlikely it to come before there. So yeah, that is it for this video. Comment like down below, what do you think of the mystery kit? This isn't a kit I'd have normally bought, but I actually really like the fact that it's not a kit I would normally have bought. So yeah, thank you for watching. Comment like down below, do you like the mystery kit? And I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!